What's going on? It's your boy YGTJ. We back at it again with another video. Tonight we got us a car meet we about to hit up. I love going to these car meets, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Right now though, my heart's pounding because I don't want to drop this camera down this drain. So I'm gonna just step this way, but got another little SC95, this blue one over here. We got Fido. I don't know who dog this is. Nope. Oh, you won't fucking run? I'm not gonna lie, bro. I only started this video so I could show how many people is by my car. Talking about they can't get over how clean it is. I'm like, man, tell me about it. I wonder who pulled up in this. Yes, sir. Hey, interior nice too. Give us a tour.
All right, so over here, right in this area, this lineup, you got the cool kids.
Okay.
Over here, you got the country rejects that nobody fucking likes, but they all spit dip on you when you talk bad about them.
Okay.
And over there, nobody fucking knows who those people are.
Bet, I got it. I'm in the cool kid section, so we good.
Knock knock. You fucking answer the question. Knock knock.
No, because I already know.
You don't know.
Shut your ass up.
Knock knock.
Shut your ass up. All right, I'll play along. I'll play along.
All right, this is for Robin. All right, knock knock. No bitches.
Ezra, knock knock.
Who's there?
It's a Lexus?
Shopping cart.
Looks like you're cutting.
He didn't get the memo.
He needs some milk.
Ooh. I think he's trying to do a burnout. Oh. Maybe the other tires. Bro, what? He just had a burnout in a Volvo. Smoked the whole scene too. Still smoking. All out there.